Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about postfix to infix notation. So one thing you need to remember about postfix to infix. Infix should be always specified between the characters. Let us take an example. So here what I am going to do is I am going to draw a stack first. Here I am going to draw a stack. Here after drawing a stack, so let us assume this is step 1. Here what I am going to do is we are going to follow the algorithm. The algorithm is in postfix and we need to convert into infix notation. The procedure is move from left to right. So here we are going to follow the procedure left to right. Now in order to follow that one, the first one, what we are going to do is, the first one is expression. Among the expression, if it is an alphabet or character, we are going to push the operand into the stack. So now X is an operand or a character I have pushed into the stack, and Y is an character or operand I have pushed into the stack, and Z is an operand or operator I have pushed into the stack. So whenever an operator is encountered, so now you need to identify the value of S1 and S2. Here it is S1 and here it is S2. Now what we need to do is we need to pop out S2 first and then S1 next. So here I am going to pop out S2 first and I am going to pop out S1 and next. So now here the next operator is backslash. So backslash should be always inserted between the characters. So now I am going to type the backslash which is inserted between the characters. So now this is the resultant. So now I need to move the resultant into stack. The next step what I am going to do is, here I am going to type the second step. Here I am going to draw a stack. So now I am going to draw a stack here. Now what I am going to do is, here we are going to have X as it is. X is inserted as it is, and here the redefined structure of stack is Y divided by Z. So now Y divided by Z. So now what is the next one? Operator is encountered. If operator is encountered, so now we are going to pop the value. So now here the values are S1 and S2. We need to pop S2 first so that it is X. X will be popped first, then Y divided by Z. And next. So now the operator is minus. In infix, it should be placed between the operator. So now operator is placed between the operands or between two characters. So now we are going to go for third step. Here we are going to draw the third one, and now I am going to draw another stack here, and so here I have drawn a stack. Now here what I am going to do is I am going to insert the values inside the stack. So now the redefined values are X minus Y divided by Z. So now I am going to take X minus Y divided by z here. So now what is the next steps we need to perform? We need to push the contents into the stack x and k. What are x and k? X and k are characters. Those are called operands. X, k. So these are operands. So next we are having a operator encountered. So now this is S1 and now this is S2. So now operand divided by is encountered. What we are going to do? We are going to pop the values S2 first. S2 is x. Then we are going to pop S1 at next, which S1 is k, and in infix operator is placed between the characters. What is operator here? Divided by. So now we are going to move for next step 4. Now we are going to draw redefined structure of stack. So here we are going to draw redefined structure of stack. Here what I am going to do is I am going to insert x minus y divided by z. Now what is the value which we have got here? X minus x divided by k. So now here we are going to type x divided by k. Now what is the operator later on we have got is I. So now I will be inserted at the top of the stack. So now what I am going to do is we are going to go for the next step, which is minus. Minus is an operator. So here we need to identify S1 and S2 values. Now what we are going to do is we are going to pop out S2 value and then S1. X divided by k is S2 and I is value of x1. So now minus is an operator which you have to place in infix. Infix specifies between the operator minus I. So minus I we have specified. So now we need to draw one more redefined structure of stack. So now we are going to draw a stack step 5. So now here we will be having a x minus y divided by z here. Next we will be having x minus x divided by k minus I. Let us see what are the contents inside the stack. X minus y divided by z. Here what is the redefined value of stack which we have got? X divided by k minus I. X divided by k minus I. So now here after I minus was encountered, so now the last operator is star. So now here it is the value of S1 and here it is value of S2. So now star is an operator which we have got encountered. So we need to pop all the values. So now star is a operator which we have got. So now I am going to write here. We are going to pop S2 first. X minus y divided by z, x minus y divided by z, next x divided by k minus I. So between which operator we need to place is star. So here we are going to place star in between. This is the output which we have got. So this is the resultant. So this one is a result. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.